Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press. Home screen 3. Settings. Double tap. Albums. Facebook note. You can add it in back buttons. Vivo home screen. Home screen. Home. Vivo home screen. Home screen. Home screen 2. Showing item 2 of 3. Double tap to activate. Settings. Double tap to settings. Settings. Double tap to activate. Navigation set. Back. Settings. Double back. Settings. Settings. Showing items 2 to 16 of 41. Vivo home screen. Settings. Settings. Showing more settings, 26 of 41, in list, 41. More settings. More settings, out of date and time, 15 of. Showing items 4 to 21 of 27. Accessibility, 26 of 27. Double tap to activate. Accessibility. Accessibility, out of list. Double tap to activate. TALKBACK, on speak items on screen, 9 of 28, in list, 28 items. Double tap to activate. TALKBACK. TALKBACK, out of unlabeled, 2 of 4, in list, 4. TALKBACK, 2 of okay, but TALKBACK off.